Burning bridges to the ground.
So, first draw a sketch of the part that you will be working on. Then cut out these pieces and make them like this, leaving holes for the mag and the top. Then make the trigger part with these two pieces. Remember to make the grip first. Unfortunately, I lost the footage of the grip, so I won't be able to show you how. I'm sorry. After having the pistol grip on, make the trigger by just gluing a curved piece onto the thing, as shown. Connect the two with a straight piece. Now add two straight pieces and a tube on top to make the upper receiver. Don't cut open the tube yet. When having it in the right place, cut a hole into the tube to make the shell ejector. Then make a smaller tube for the bolt. Be sure that it fits. Then cut a small hole and put a piece on it for extra detail. Then trim it and make it look something like this. Then cut out the whole top part and glue it on. Leave a gap of something about 2 centimeters. Then make the bolt handle by layering 2 pieces.
Blinded by the light ahead, thought about just what you said, connecting lines.
Then add a small piece on top of the bolt to connect to the bolt handle. Then cover the whole thing. Remember that the top of the carry handle is not fully covered. There is a lump for the sights to look through. Then just make this. Then add details. And simply glue it on. More details. Then you should have something like this. After that, make this piece. This is the front assist. Before gluing it on, cover the back with this like the real one on both sides. Then glue it on. Then make this small detail and glue it as shown. Then make the shell deflector with a triangle on the bottom and make it as shown.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know.
Then cut all of this out. Then make a small piece to connect the rod of the cover.
But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? If you're gonna leave,
then make it like this. Then add a small piece on each side of the receiver.
I'm tired of
Then add details. Then make this for the right side of it. Glue the other side of the mag release there. Glue them on. Then add another small detail. Make the thing as shown. Wrap the handle of the thing to make it curve. Then cut a hole and put a paper tube through it. Trim it. Then glue the thing on the left side and a small screw on the right. Then add 2 stoppers. And you are done. Then sketch the stock out. Draw it on a piece of cardboard. Mirror it and make this piece. The top should be able to curve. When you got the right shape, glue the butt pad on. Then glue the bottom with a strip and sand it down so it is curved. This is how it should be. Then simply glue it on. Then add details.
I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm trying.
Then make this. Then make a barrel and glue it on. Make sure it's straight. Then sketch the handguard. Then get a grenade launcher. I have a video of it in the description. Feel free to watch it. And make the handguard. Remember to cut a small hole on the left side of the handguard for the grenade launcher's thing. It should be able to fit in this. Then glue the grenade launcher on the barrel. Then put the handguard on it. The top of the grenade launcher should fit into the handguard nicely. This is how it should look like. Now for the grenade launcher sight. Add a small piece and do what you see I do. It should look like this. Then add 2 small rings on the barrel for the front sight. Do what you see I do, I'm lazy to type anymore. So yeah, you're done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. Remember, if I hit 1000 subs I will be doing a face reveal and live streaming me making a gun. So yeah, see you guys soon.
Yeah, I know it's the unknown.